Sherman Oaks buyers, here's the best new townhome to hit the market.
This 2-bedroom, 3-bath townhome is located in a great Sherman Oaks neighborhood south of Ventura Boulevard, just steps away from some of the best restaurants and entertainment around. Behind the secured gate, you will find this beautiful remodeled unit with an open floor plan, large kitchen with an island, side-by-side washer and dryer, recessed lighting, fireplace, direct access to a barbecue area, and best of all, no one living above or below you. There are 2 large bedrooms, each with their own private bathrooms. The master bedroom has a huge walk-in closet, and the master bathroom has a double sink. My favorite part has to be the downstairs bonus room, perfect for an office, gym, or even a 3rd bedroom. There are 2 side-by-side assigned garage parking spaces with direct access to the unit, and 3 private storage cabinets. The complex has a great pool, sauna, and rec room.
So if you're looking for a remodeled townhome that's south of Ventura Boulevard, all at a great value, this just might be the home for you.